So thank you, Professor, and I will start with the system architecture. So as you already know, the Django is used like the it sends the ATT response and it get oh sorry the ATT request and it gets the ATT response back. So for the web server, we are using the when we are trying to open the while we are trying to run server on the Django, we'll use the command prompt that python manage.py run server and with the port with the specific port 80,000. And then also we are using that many times with this project. And then we will start with the middle stock, and then for the URL this start. So in our project we've got many URL files like the feed, account, the chart, the admin panel, the notifications, and the Django admin. So the view file, as you already know, view file it will send the ATT response request and it will receive the ATT response. So in our view we program it to the 5 different types for the feed, account, chart, the admin panel, and the notification. And the QRO, and for the QRO for the Django and the database, we use the SQLite database for storing the data such as the media file, statistics file, etc. And this is how we store and organize the file of our project. And this is the database that we are how the database of our project look like. We've got the password, username, last name, and something else that to fit the requirement of our app, our website. And like as you can see, we've got the account follower, like the feed post, the feed like, the feed comment, and the comment conversation, and chart participation, chart message, and it in the each of it has many things inside that. So this is the key feature of our project. We've got the profile interface and then the chart board that we can chart to each other, and about the feed that we can scroll, and we inspiration it from any social media such as Facebook, Instagram, or something that we are using nowadays. It's very famous. And the term of privacy, we also have the term of privacy for the user to read, to make sure they are not breaking any rule of our website. Okay, and you ask this is the result of this demo. We've got test with the email. So as you can see, we've got an email, and then I'll play it again. So we've logged in with the email, and then this is the feed that we can post and upload any image and any text that we want. So yeah, this is my friend upload and test it, and then he clicks pause. Now you can see it's appear on the feed of our app. Okay, this is the chart message that we are have in the our profile. Okay, this here we can edit all the our profile and come back to the login and sign up user interface. That's it for the demo. So this is some challenge that we are facing, and because we encounter many problems because we trying to figure out how to implement the and upload the feature. So this is the most important part and difficult part for us, that we are trying to understand how does it work, and we trying to search and asking many people and also the AI about this topic, and connecting the app inside the code to core. Yes, yeah, like the trying to connect to the website on the no sorry the database, and trying to getting harder to work. So we are we are lazy, so sometimes we feel so tired after studying, and yeah, we try to understand how the everything works, and hard time to using the all these like the CSS, and trying to figure out how everything work together. And so this is the something that we are learn, that how's the website look like, the organize the folder, the pin, the moving and timing work while handling the zip file style, making a writing to hosting them on the implement browser. Well, that's it for this presentation. Thank you so much, Professor, for your time to watch, and see you next time. Thank you.